Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation Rundown. Smooth Love Elixir (SLP) essentially is determined to, in every practical sense, arrive at an especially normal cost of $0.0058 toward the finish of 2025. With the truly current cost of $0.0034, really Smooth Love Elixir truly holds its ground on the lookout, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Smooth Love Elixir (SLP) really is expected to arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $9.31 constantly 2030, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Examiners project a bullish pattern for exceptionally Smooth Love Elixir in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $2.40 mark in an unobtrusive manner. Long-haul investigation recommends that genuinely Smooth Love Mixture cost might actually flood to $2.85 by 2050. With a fundamentally expected range somewhere in the range of $2.71 and $3.18, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Starting around 11 January 2024, truly Smooth Love Elixir sort of is exchanging at $0.0034 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.42% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which basically is genuinely critical. SLP explicitly has an all-out market cap of $139,386,518, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $25,065,081, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. This generally makes sort of Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, positioning at 304 in the cryptographic money market. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the sort of Smooth Love Mixture cost expectation end of 2024, what will pretty Smooth Love Elixir for the most part be exceptionally worth in 2024, which explicitly is very critical? Is especially Smooth Love Mixture a kind of wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2024, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking? Will SLP cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they in a real sense thought? These certainly are our Smooth Love Elixir cost expectations for SLP'(S) future, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, value expectation 2024, as per the truly Smooth Love Mixture estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the SLP cost fundamentally is supposed to explicitly cross an especially normal value level of $0.0040, the normal truly least value worth of truly Smooth Love Elixir, toward the finish of the exceptionally current year, ought to truly be $0.0038. Exhibiting that will SLP cost certainly outperform its unequaled high, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Besides, SLP can fundamentally arrive at an all things considered most extreme value level of $0.0048 in an essentially significant manner. SLP value estimate January 2024. Concerning January 2024, exceptionally Smooth Love Mixture is supposed to arrive at any rate value worth of $0.0027. Extremely further appearance how with the ongoing cost of $0.0034, sort of Smooth Love Elixir for the most part holds its ground in the market in an unobtrusive way. The SLP cost could fundamentally arrive at an especially greatest cost of $0.0031, with the sort of typical cost around $0.0030, exhibiting how with the truly current cost of $0.0034, sort of Smooth Love Mixture in a real sense holds its ground in the market in an unobtrusive way. SLP value figure February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of essentially Smooth Love Mixture by and large is estimated to sort of be at around a truly least worth of $0.0029, which generally is genuinely critical. The Smooth Love Elixir value worth can in a real sense arrive at a by and large limit of $0.0032, with the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging worth of $0.0031 in United States dollars in a kind of enormous way. SLP value estimate WALK 2024. In WALK 2024, the cost of genuinely Smooth Love Mixture, sort of is determined to in a real sense, be at around a truly least worth of $0.0030, which especially is genuinely critical. The by and large Smooth Love Mixture value worth can truly arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.0034. In 2024, the SLP cost essentially is supposed to truly cross an especially normal value level of $0.0040, The normal really least value worth of by and large smooth love mixture toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to generally be $0.0038, showing that will SLP cost especially outperform its unsurpassed high, which especially is genuinely huge. Smooth love mixture value expectation April 2024. In every practical sense, smooth love elixir cost basically is supposed to truly reach between $0.0031 to $0.0035 in April 2024, while the fundamentally normal cost of SLP for the April in a real sense stays around $0.0032 SLP value figure mid-2024 with respect to mid-2024. Certainly smooth love mixture explicitly is supposed to for the most SLP value estimate June 2024. The very smooth love mixture figure for June 2024 expects that the SLP may explicitly arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.0038 with a sort of least cost of around $0.0033 in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the truly normal value SLP can sort of stretch around $0.0034 for June in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love elixir value estimate July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of smooth love mixture explicitly is supposed to be at around at least $0.0034. Smooth love mixture cost can sort of arrive at a limit of $0.0040, with the by and large normal cost of $0.0036 in United States dollars amazingly. Smooth love elixir value figure August 2024. In August 2024, the truly most extreme cost for especially smooth love mixture could basically stretch around $0.0041, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of SLP in August 2024 for the most part is $0.0035 with a by and large normal cost of $0.0036 in a genuinely enormous manner. Smooth love elixir value figure September 2024. In September 2024, the for the most part greatest cost for exceptionally smooth love mixture could by and large stretch around $0.0043 in a truly significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of SLP in September 2024 for the most part is $0.0036 with a by and large normal cost of $0.0037, or so they truly thought. Smooth love mixture value expectation October 2024. Certainly smooth love elixir cost for the most part is supposed to generally reach between $0.0037 to $0.0045 in October 2024. While the typical cost of SLP for the October for the most part remains around $0.0038 essentially smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation November 2024. The cost for truly smooth love mixture in November 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.0037 and $0.0046, which truly is genuinely critical.